here, click here. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe online, guys, without loading any mod or anything you imagine, guys. It's working perfectly both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So go to your profile on your browser and just copy link. Okay, let's get back to our tool. Then you have paste button, just press paste and press continue, guys, and let's see the next step. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select on button and select scripts that you want to add to our account, guys. So I will select these for scripts. So let me click continue, guys, and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm wait about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait to redirecting. Verification successful. Nice, guys. Thank you for passing the boot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see, guys. Okay, so let me play. Okay, guys, I'm now in the game, and as you can see, we have this panel here. So let me click here. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. Let me click here. As you can see, we have all these scripts for free. Let me click on settings. As you can see, guys, this is working amazing. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.